In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add mobile data to your control center on iPhone. Separately, adding cellular data to your control center offers quick and easy access, allowing you to turn it on or off with a single tap without digging through settings. To do this, simply head to your control center. Now here is the mobile data option. You have to head to your connectivities to turn it on. To make it more convenient, simply long hold onto your screen. Tap on Add a Control. Scroll down to the Connectivity section and select Mobile Data to get added. Now once added, you can either move or resize the feature to what you really want. This helps in efficiently switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data, making it easier to control your mobile data usage throughout the day. That's how easy it is to add mobile data to your control center on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.